Hi, my dear friends and family. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I thought of walk you through on ETFs, which is good investments. So here you could see I have kept triggers for gold Bs and Nifty Bs. In the ETFs, there are a lot of ETFs. Okay, if you wanted to look at major ETFs, as per my experience, I would recommend gold, Nifty, silver, or bank. These are the four sectors, okay, different sectors which you can invest. Okay, on ETFs, you no need to afraid of whenever there is a crash on the market. So usually you might heard that there is a lot of crash happen. So what happened under like right during looking into ETFs, you no need to worry about whatever happens to market. Okay, for example, whenever there is a drop, okay, whenever there is a drop, consider it as a buying an opportunity in ETFs. So what I recommend, out of 100 and 100 out of ETFs, please keep these four in your watch list. Whenever there is a fall, try to grab an opportunity for buying it. For example, how to do? So keep this EMA called EMA cross. Okay, just it is available in the indicators. Just type it as EMA cross. This is the EMA cross. So bring that into your ladder. No need of doing any settings, just bring that. Okay, and then you can bring double EMA, correct, and update it as a 100. Now you have two indicators. Now time frame, keep it as a weekly, daily, it's up to your risk appetite. So now we are talking about ETFs of gold. So where and all the EMA is standing, let's look into those and buy, look for buying an opportunity. So what I generally recommend is every Friday night or Monday early morning before market opens, do this analysis just for 5 minutes. For example, today is the weekend, or assume that Monday, right? So today usually actually it is Thursday 5th morning I'm recording it. So Friday night or Monday morning you can do this analysis. So first EMI, that orange one, it tells me 118 is good for an opportunity for buy. So it might come to 118. There is a possibility. Okay, now it says 106 is another opportunity. It might fall. And the last EMI, it says 101 rupee. It might fall. You can look for good an opportunity. So these are the three places. So if you think that market is very bearish, gold is falling so badly, look for 101. If you think that no, gold will not fall too much, as you know, in India, right, gold definitely will not fall too much. If it falls, we buy it, right? So you can go for 105, around 106 as a price. Okay, or if you think that very moderate falling is very minimal, it's all your mindset. Okay, it's all your mindset. So think that it is falling very badly, so you can go for 118 as your buy price. So these are the three buy prices. Assume that you bought at 118, okay, and it fallen badly. I request you to don't get afraid. Look for an opportunity, average it. It's not a stock, okay? It's a very good investment. Whenever it falls, look for buying opportunity. Buy at 106. Okay, it falls further, buy at 100 rupees. Very good. Okay, assume that here 100 quantity bought, here falling again, so bought again 200 quantities. Again here it is falling, you bought 200 quantities. Total you have 500 quantities. Okay, so I'll bring calculator for you. 500 quantities, and you bought for maybe 110 as an average. So 55,000, 155,000 is supposed to pay. Okay, here there is an opportunity. Okay, I'll tell you what is that. In all the brokers, not this is zero the what you guys seeing it. So in all the brokers, they are providing MTF. What is MTF? Is marginal trading facility. Okay, they're giving some margin. Instead of paying 55,000 from your capital, for example 500, and the average of price is 110, right? So how much it shows? 55,000 it shows, correct? You need to pay 55,000 to the broker without any interest. Whenever it goes up, you can pay it. You can exit from the trade, right? But what I recommend, go for MTF, that is margin. Instead of 55,000, you need to pay only just 15,800. Okay, on an average 16,000. You need to pay only 16,000. Okay, so keep that 55,000 for other things. You can save around 40,000, right? Don't spend full capital, right? Just use this facility. I recommend only for ETFs, not for stocks. For example, you bought for gold 110 and you have quantity of 500. Okay, now 110 it became 128. So how much is the profit? From 100 average, 28 rupees is profit, correct? How much quantity you have? 28 into 500, 14,000. With investment of 16,000, correct? With investment of 16,000, you are getting 14,000 in a week. Trust me, guys, this happened, really happened uh, last week. So, what I'm saying is, as per the calendar, 6th, assume that you have done these markings by price, right? And you found out, the buy price for the gold. Okay, and by Monday 9th February, if the price come to that margin, you try to buying it using MTF. Okay, 13th Friday, what my recommendation is, exit from the trade. During these 5 days, since the broker is giving you MTF, they may charge minimal, very minimal interest rate and all. Maybe for per quantity, 100 quantity, they charge on 1 rupee or 10 rupees, whatever price or fees they charge. Please pay that and exit from the trade by 13th of February. That is Friday. So every Monday buy it, every Friday exit. If you think that no, you don't want to exit, that is gold. Who will sell the gold, right? Usually, you can keep it for longer period. Okay. You, this is a very good I mean strategy. What I'm teaching you here. Every Monday buy it, every Friday sell it. Weekly you will get, with 5,000 investment, definitely you'll get 500 rupees. It is like 10% on your capital. You'll get 10% on capital in a week. Okay, that's what kind of good investment. So I just thought of sharing it. Hope you guys understood what I'm talking about. So it's not stocks, it's all about ETFs. Good to buy and sell on weekly basis. To make you very comfortable and very clear, I would like to talk about another stock. For example, silver, banks, all these are there. Let me talk about Nifty. Okay. Okay, this is an index fund, right? Now, this index fund, try to identify where is your EMA, right? EMA, it says 287, and my next EMA, it says 289. My next EMA, it says 295. Okay, so typically if this black one below candles are forming, means actually it is a falling market. On weekly, the Nifty is falling. Okay, what happened last week? It started rising up. So last week fall was 280. I had an opportunity buy also, so I'm just recommending you all, if it falls to 280 something like that, or 287, 289, I request to consider for buying it. If you think that Nifty is too much fall, you can take monthly also, mark it accordingly. Okay, let me mark you on monthly. Monthly is very long time to wait for it. So here it says 267. I don't think so it will come to 280, 267, but yeah, 286 is good price. 286 it came, to be honest, it came couple of months, that is December it came, January it came, right? And Feb also it came. So how much it went on? It went for 298, come se like 300. So this is how you mark. So any ETF, I don't recommend look into all 100. This 4 is more than enough. So all these 4 ETFs, based on the volatility and crash of the market, identify your time frame weekly or monthly or daily, mark them. Okay, identify your price. In short, I'm saying, for example, gold I identified as 110 is my price, or 115 is my price, correct? Nifty base I identified as 286. So this is psychological number, 285, 286. If Nifty this comes, I definitely buy. I don't get scared of buying it. No, I'll click on buy now. So how to buy, I'll tell you. For example, 280, 600 I want to buy. So the price is 280, correct? Typically, if I want to buy this 100 quantity with the amount of 280 rupees as my psychological number, if it comes to 280, I'll buy, correct? I need to pay 28,000. Definitely, this much amount nobody will want to invest on one ETF, correct? So go for MTF instead of regular buying it. Go to MTF. It is like taking loan interest from the Jiroda. Instead of 28,000, you need to pay just 5,600. Okay, invest here that 20,000 if you want, right? 500 quantities, buy 28,000. Instead of 100 quantities for 28,000, you can buy 500 quantities with the same amount, 28,000. So margin they're giving you leverage. Use that leverage is what I'm saying. Or if you think that I never took loan, I don't want to take loan, go for it. Go for your regular only. You need to pay 1,40,000. I don't have capital for 1,40,000, so I'll take loan from the bank. Now assume that Feb 9th it came to 280. I bought at 280, correct? And till 13, 1 week I'm waiting. From 280, if it goes to 290, 10 rupees, definitely I'll sell it. Okay, now 500 quantity and I sold for 10 rupees. I mean 280 I bought, I told her 290. Okay, that is psychological numbers, correct? I got 5,000 with investment of how much? Let me see once. MTF 500 quantity and limit is 280, correct? This is the buy price. So 28,000 investment, with the 28,000 investment you got 5,000 in a week. If you ask me, Shiva, I bought a 280, that week never come at to 280, it is still falling. Don't worry. If you have money, average it. If you don't have money, leave it. Leave it for a week, leave it for a month. Definitely it will cross. If you think that 2 rupees is enough, close it 2,000 rupees. If you think that based on your um, you don't want to wait for 10 rupees increase. If you think the 2 rupees increase, 1,000 rupees is enough, close it. It's up to you. Profit I'm not talking about. I'm just talking about how to buy. How to buy question I'm answering it, stating that buy MTF. Regular is too costly. Using MTF you can buy. Keep it for a week. Okay, then sell it. I think, yeah, I spoke a lot. I explained very well, I believe. Hope you guys understood. So any housewife, any professional working men, woman, and they may not get the time to look into lot of time on the charts. You may not you may not have lot of time to investigate on the stocks and all. So for those people, I recommend ETFs are very safe. So and it is weekly returns. You guys can trust on this and go ahead and buy it. Okay, if you guys don't want to sell weekly, just buy and keep it. And 2020 the same Nifty base was 80 rupees, now it is 290. So every year it will go up, it will never come down. If it comes down, it is an opportunity. Not only this ETF, gold base also in 2021 it was 37 rupees. Trust me, I can witness. I was a person who bought gold base at 50 rupees, and the rest is history. You guys know that gold how it is going in India, correct? Not in India, in global market. So coming to silver also same, right? I don't want to again spend a lot of time to explain you. So 2020, 2021, 2024 gold base was 80 rupees, 82 rupees. It went to 360 rupees. People were mad looking at the way gold was going, right? And bank base these all consolidated list of banks what we have in India. For example, SBI, ICICI, HDFC, all these banks, listed banks. So all consolidated. It was 2021 and all. It was 170 rupees, 180 rupees. Okay, now it's trading at 600. So that's how year on year the gold base or any Bs, right? Any ETFs goes. So use MTF as an opportunity. Don't spend your capital. Buy good amount of quantity. Don't buy 10, 20 and all. Buy more than 100. Okay, keep it for a week, sell it. That's about it. Hope you guys understood. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.